Hey everyone, welcome back to another development video. Today we are going to learn how we can deploy React or Next.js project on Netlify using Git or manual upload. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not miss this video. Let's go! The easiest way to deploy a project is by hosting the source code on GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket and connecting it to Netlify. The first step is push our project to GitHub. For this one, we should log in on our GitHub, and on this tab, repositories, we should click on this button, new, and create a new repository. I want to name it dummies and copy it as description. There's no need to set up other settings, and here we go, create repository, to create our repository on our GitHub. Here we go, our repository is created, and we should navigate to our project file folder like this and open git bash here. And as a first commit, we should start with git init, and after that we should write down git add dot for all the files and folders, and the other one is commit, git commit -m, and our first commit here. The next command is git branch -m master, and the next one is this command, git remote at origin and the link of our repository. The last command is git push -u origin master like this. And now we should wait for a second, and as you can see, everything is nice and our project upload on our GitHub successfully. Here we go on our GitHub, we should refresh our page, and here we go. This is our project and it's uploaded successfully on our GitHub. This is our first step and everything done successfully. The next step is we should go to Netlify website and like this, and we should log in with our GitHub. We should sign up with GitHub, click on this button, and wait a second, and we should connect our GitHub profile to our Netlify. After logging in your Netlify, we have this page, and we should import our project from GitHub to our Netlify. You should click on this button, add new site, and the first one, import an existing project. We should select GitHub here until connecting. We should wait, and after that we should search our project like this here, and this is our project dummies, and we should select our site name. I want to add dummies channel for our website, and we should scroll down, and as you can see, for React or Next.js project, build command is npm run build. And at the end of our page, we should click on this button, deploy dummies channel. We should wait to build, and after that, our site will be deployed on Netlify free hosts. And now everything is going right, and if we click on this URL, dummieschannel.netlify.app, we can navigate to our website, and as you can see, everything is nice, and this is our project. This nice dummy, blue eyes, is walking through this street. But the other way to upload your project on free host on Netlify, you can choose it and upload it manually. I want to remove this website now here by click on our dummies channel, site configuration. Here we go. We should scroll down and delete website. Just write down the name and delete our website, and there is nothing here anymore. And now we should upload it again. we should click on this add new site and write down deploy manually. We should drag and drop our website build folder here, and now we should navigate to our VS Code and open our terminal. Just write down npm run build to have build folder of our React.js application. Here we go, we wait for the build and everything gonna write. Here we go. And now if we navigate to our project folder, we can see this build folder here, and we should upload it to our Netlify like this. Just drag build folder and drop it here. Everything will be right and your project will be uploaded on Netlify as soon as you think. And we should click on this open production deploy. As you can see, everything gonna write and our project deploy on Netlify by this name, and we can change this URL here. We should navigate back to our Netlify, click on your profile, and here we go, site configuration, and scroll down, change site name here, and I want to add dummies channel dash Webro. This is my name, my chosen name for this website. After save, we should click on our website name, and here we go. Everything gonna write, and I want to close other ones, and here we go. With two ways we have uploaded our React.js application on Netlify free host, manually or connecting our GitHub profile to Netlify. So as you saw, deploying React or Next.js project on Netlify is super easy. You can use Git or upload it manually. If you found this video helpful, put like and comment for me, and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel. And of course, Dummies channel is for my friends that create fantabulous animations for you. Don't miss to visit their channel. They are super professional. Thanks for watching, and farewell developers.